who right now has a question about, let's take some basic questions, but apply this analogy to it. Ask me a question. Ask me a technical question, like what email provider, what funnel thing, what, like, let's start with who asked the question about the email? Who's the one? I can't even find it anymore. Ryan says me. Okay, Ryan. So my question is this: how many leads do you have on your list right now? And I'm asking both two different numbers, free leads and people that have paid. Okay. How many free leads and how many paid leads on your list right now? Watch, you guys are going to go through. We're going to do the breadcrumb analogy. And then I'm going to answer the other ones that are in the chat. But I'll bet you my advice is going to be different than everybody's advice here. Ryan, how many free leads and how many paid leads? Like how many buyers leads, how many people have spent money to be on your list and how many people are just there for free? You've given them, whatever. I'm going to skip, I'll skip to somebody else. All free. Okay. So he says 3,200 free leads. All right. Lead source. Where do they come from? Ryan, where did the 3,200 leads come from?